the Templetons.
Hello, we are the Templetons. Very happy to be out here playing for you again. I'm going to give you an introduction of the band members really quick here. This is my little brother Andrew on the mandolin. Give him a hand. He's 13 years old. This is my sister Lydia on the fiddle. She's going to be 16 in July. Little sister Olivia on the bass, 12 years old. This is my brother Michael on the banjo, just turned 18. Give him a hand. I'm Albert and I play the guitar, I'm 17. Thank you. This next tune that we're going to play for you is a tune that I wrote not too long ago called That Old Train Won't Be Coming By No More.